Let's learn some minute math tricks. This is the butterfly method for subtracting fractions. 4/3 minus 1/2. Diagonal is the key here. 2 times 4 is an 8, and 3 times 1 is a 3. We subtract the top, 8 minus 3 gives me a 5. We multiply the bottom, 3 times 2 is a 6. And there we have it. Our answer is 4/3 minus 1/2 is a 5/6. 7/4 minus a 3/2. Think of the diagonals. 7 times 2, 14. 4 times 3 is a 12. Subtract the 2, 14 minus a 12 gives me a 2. Multiply the bottom, 4 times 2 is an 8. 2 over 8 equals a 1/4. And there we have it. 7 over 4 minus 3 over 2 is a 1/4. 5/4 minus a 3/7. Multiply across the diagonal. 7 times a 5 is a 35, and a 4 times a 3 is a 12. Let's subtract the two numbers, and 35 minus a 12 is a 23. Multiply 4 times 7, and we get a 28. And there we have it. 5/4 minus 3/7 is 23 over 28. 6/5 minus a 2/3. Let's multiply across the diagonals. 6 times 3, 18. 5 times 2, well, that's a 10. Subtract the 2, 18 minus 10 gives me an 8. Multiply the denominators. 5 times 3 is a 15. And there we have it. 6/5 minus 2/3 equals 8 over 15. 7/3 minus a 3/2. Diagonals. 2 times a 7 is a 14. 3 times a 3 is a 9. We subtract the 2 and we get a 5. 3 times 2 is a 6. Put that in the denominator, and there we have it. 7/3 minus a 3/2 is a 5/6. Now you know some minute math tricks.